Welcome to all the mathematicians checking in for this video solution who attended our 10th annual Latin School Middle School Math Contest on January 31st, this year known as Math Will Shine, in 2009. And the staff at the Problem of the Week apologizes for being one day late with our promised posting of this video solution. Well, we're looking at a rectangle, we're cutting off a corner, we're given the lengths of the sides of the resulting pentagon, and we need to find the area of the pentagon. Well, of course, rectangles come in all different proportions. I'm going to choose this one for our purposes of illustration, and even though it might not be proportional to the actual rectangle involved in this problem, it will serve our purposes. Then we're going to hack off a corner, and once again, we don't really know the dimensions that need to be hacked off, but for the purposes of illustration, this will work. And then we know that because we started with a rectangle and the two lengths have to be the same and the two widths have to be the same, the largest number in our group must be the length of the longest side of the original rectangle. So we'll put the 20 there. Then we noticed, after we put a gray right triangle back to show the corner that was taken off, we realized that since the resulting lengths of the pentagon are all counting numbers, the right triangle must have three sides which are all counting numbers. And since it's a right triangle, those three sides will be in a relationship a squared plus b squared equals c squared, the Pythagorean theorem, and they all need to be counting numbers. So we examine what are known as Pythagorean triples, and the two that come to mind are the 5, 12, 13 right triangle or the 9, 12, 15 right triangle. And the 13 and the 15 are numbers that we can use. So we'll start with the 15, and the gray 12 at the bottom goes with the 8 in our list to make 20, but the two question marks added with the 9 over on the left side don't work with our other two numbers, the 10 and the 13, to make the original rectangle. So we're going to have to scrap the 15 and look at the 13, the 5, 12, 13 right triangle, and then we look at our additional numbers. The 8 works nicely with the 12, the 10 works with the 5 to make 15. Everything seems to work. So to do the area, we take the area of the original rectangle, a 20 by 15 rectangle, subtract the area of the gray right triangle that we cut out, 1/2 times 5 times 12, giving us 300, take away 30, or 270 square units, the answer to this middle school problem of the week special edition.